Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you noticed that I am wearing the same clothes as my previous video, it's because I'm filming this video the same day, the same time I'm filming the other video. So apologies for that, guys. I'm just trying to be very productive today. So and also I would like to, for this video guys, I'd like to show you the a mini Kmart haul. So I've been to Kmart the other day and I picked up some things and I'd like to show them to you guys. So I've got the receipt. I kept the receipt because I know that I'm going to show these things to you guys and I would like to tell you the pricing. So let's start with this one. So that basket up there, that's the small one. Seagrass basket, that's how they call it at Kmart. And I got that one for $6, guys. That looks so cute. And then the second one that I got is this, another seagrass basket, but this one is definitely bigger than the one that I showed you. And that one is for $8. So yeah, remember before guys, I don't know if you watched my previous video, but I bought one, also a cute one from IKEA, but it's a tad small for the pot. So that's why I bought another one from Kmart. But I'll show you. So we're just in the room now guys, and I've got so many mess on the bed because I just finished filming the last video guys. So yeah, apologies for that, but this is the next one that I'm going to show you guys. So this black tray, it's actually a mirror. I got this one from Kmart as well. So I'm not finished with my decorating session yet guys, but I am getting there. That's the main thing. But that one guys I got for, I'm just looking here, I don't know if it will show. No, I got that one for round metal tray. It's for $13 guys for this one. And how cute is this plant guys. Oh, I love it. Anyways, let's move on. This is one of my favorite things from Kmart guys, this lamp. Oh, that's beautiful, isn't it? Especially that kind of globe. It's very vintage, but I'm gonna turn that off to give you a better view. So that one guys I got for Marmo, that's how they call it, Marmo table lamp, and I got it for $20. But guys, mind you, the $20 is just for this. You have to purchase the globe separately. So I purchased the globe for $9, so extra $9 for the globe. And then I got this one. How cute is this one? It looks real. It looks so alive, and I reckon they actually look so good together. What do you think? Let me know what you think. And I got that one, air plant and vase, I've got for $9 guys. And then this is the basket that I mentioned before guys. I bought from IKEA, but it's too small for the pot in my beauty room. So I used that here in the bedroom guys, and it looks so cute. Now that I became a mother guys, like seriously, I'm really into, I don't know, just decorating the house and making the house look pretty. But yeah, I'll definitely make, I want to make like a, I don't know, even like a room tour or a house tour when everything is ready guys. At the moment it's just bits and pieces that I have done, but yeah, later on I'm going to do that. But yeah, I just think it looks so nice, guys. Do you want to see my mess? Yeah, there you go. And also this one, guys, that is so cute. Also, if you watch my previous video, I got that one from Facebook Marketplace, originally from Freedom. And I think it looks really nice in that area, guys. Goes well with the color of the room. We're all pink. But yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. I know it's very quick because I just want to show it to you quickly while, you know, I'm in the mood of filming. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed, and hopefully you give us a thumbs up and also click the subscribe button to be a part of this family, guys. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.